As we ascended the mountain towards the abandoned water park, we came upon amazing views, cool rock formations, and even stopped for lunch. Then we reached it. We explored the various buildings and their different levels, eager what we might find. The buildings were filled with graffiti and many of the walls were damaged. Some of the buildings were a lot bigger than we thought. We even found a building that had a huge underground room. As we exited the buildings, we also discovered a massive rock quarry. We were amazed. Subscribe for daily nature videos.